Millionaire Mindset, within the power of positive thinking. Welcome, fellow dreamers and aspiring achievers. Today, we delve into the profound influence of positive thinking, a force that has propelled countless people towards unimaginable wealth and success. Prepare to unlock the hidden potential within you as we explore the captivating interplay between thoughts and destiny. Get ready to transcend limitations, embrace abundance, and embark on a life-altering quest to unleash the immense power of your thoughts. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Embrace a positive mindset. This opens yourself up to a world of boundless opportunities and untapped potential. A positive mindset allows you to navigate challenges with resilience, viewing setbacks as valuable lessons and springboards for growth. When you embrace a positive mindset, you attract positive energy and like-minded friends who can support and uplift you on your journey to wealth and success. Remember, a positive mindset is not about denying reality, but rather about approaching every situation with optimism, seeking solutions, and maintaining unwavering faith in your ability to create the future you desire. Number 2. Practice gratitude daily. Practicing gratitude is an essential component of nurturing the millionaire mindset and harnessing the power of positive thinking. It involves taking a moment each day to express appreciation for the blessings in your life, big and small. By acknowledging and being grateful for what you already have, you attract more abundance into your life. It shifts your focus from scarcity to plenty, opening your eyes to the countless opportunities that surround you. Daily gratitude practice cultivates a positive mindset, enhances your overall well-being, and strengthens your resilience in the face of challenges. Number 3. Set clear goals. By defining your objectives with clarity, you provide a clear direction and purpose. Setting goals helps you prioritize your efforts, focus your energy, and make intentional choices that align with your aspirations. When you have a clear target in mind, positive thoughts and actions become aligned, propelling you closer to achieving your desired outcomes. By directing positive energy towards your goals, you infuse your actions with purpose and determination, paving the way for remarkable achievements. Number 4. Visualize your success. By envisioning yourself achieving goals and experiencing financial abundance, you activate the law of attraction and align your thoughts with the reality you desire. Visualize success with clarity and emotion. You strengthen the belief in what is possible, fuel your motivation, and attract the necessary resources and opportunities. This also helps you overcome self-doubt and obstacles by imprinting a positive image of achievement in your mind. As you consistently visualize your success, your subconscious mind starts to work in harmony with your conscious efforts, leading towards the realization of your dreams. Number 5. Take action. Taking action is a pivotal step in the millionaire mindset, where thoughts are transformed into productive habits. It is through action that true progress is made. By taking consistent and purposeful steps towards goals, you bridge the gap between dreams and reality. Action transforms positive thoughts into tangible results, propelling you forward with success. It is in the execution of your ideas that you create momentum, learn valuable lessons, and uncover new opportunities along the way. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 6. Learn from failures. Rather than dwelling on setbacks, view failures as stepping stones to improvement. By embracing a positive mindset, you can extract wisdom and insights from every experience, enabling you to refine your strategies and approach. Learning from failures allows you to adapt, innovate, and make better-informed decisions on your path to success. Failure is not a reflection of your worth, but an opportunity to refine your skills, enhance your resilience, and ultimately achieve extraordinary results. Number 7. Stay persistent and consistent. By maintaining a positive attitude and refusing to give up, you cultivate resilience and create a foundation for lasting achievements. Consistency in your actions reinforces positive habits and the mindset necessary for wealth creation. Through persistent effort and a steadfast belief in your abilities, you can manifest the abundant future you envision. Remember, success rarely happens overnight, but with persistence and consistency, you navigate the ups and downs, steadily progressing towards the realization of your dreams. Number 8. Surround yourself with success stories. By immersing yourself in the stories of those who have achieved great success, you expand your vision of what is possible. Inspirational role models serve as living proof that dreams can become a reality with dedication and a positive mindset. Their journeys inspire and motivate you, fueling your own aspirations and empowering you to reach higher heights. By surrounding yourself with success stories, you tap into a powerful source of wisdom, guidance, and inspiration that can propel you forward on your own path to wealth and success. The company you keep influences your mindset and belief in what is achievable. So choose to surround yourself with those who inspire you to think big and embrace the power of positive thinking. Number 9. Create a personal development plan. This is also a key element of the millionaire mindset, enabling growth in all areas of life. It involves mapping out a roadmap for self-improvement. By identifying areas for growth, such as knowledge, skills, and personal attributes, you create a foundation for continuous learning and development. A personal development plan provides structure, helping you stay focused and motivated on your journey to wealth. It allows you to harness the power of positive thinking by aligning your actions with your desired outcomes. By investing in your personal development, you nurture a millionaire mindset and lay the groundwork for a fulfilling and abundant life. Number 10. Manage finances wisely. By taking control of your financial affairs, you create wealth and abundance. A positive attitude towards money allows you to view it as a tool for growth and leverage it to your advantage. Managing finances wisely involves budgeting, saving, and investing with a long-term perspective. By adopting a positive mindset, you approach financial decisions with clarity, confidence, and a focus on long-term goals. As we draw the curtains on this remarkable exploration of the millionaire mindset and the power of positive thinking, remember that the keys to your future lie within the realm of your thoughts. You possess an extraordinary ability to shape your reality, to overcome obstacles, and to manifest abundance in every aspect of life. Embrace the power of positive thinking as your faithful companion on the path to greatness. The journey towards a millionaire mindset may have its challenges, but with unwavering positivity, relentless determination, and a burning desire for greatness, you have the power to rewrite your story and ascend to extraordinary heights. Dream big, think positively, and let your millionaire mindset guide you towards a future of limitless possibilities.